the most boring time? Waking up, the alarm is making noise, you're about to go to work, fix up your bed, and leave the house clean. Brush your teeth, check your laptop, and see if there's anything new. Take a shower. Done? Put some body lotion so your skin won't be dry. And Vaseline is good. That's perfume and roll on. Make sure you smell fresh. Brush your beards if you do have. If you don't have, you don't have to worry about it. Put on a belt, otherwise your pants will fall when you're going to the shop. Socks, be nice. And put on some soft shoes. Don't wear those Timberland boots or the Caterpillar boots when you're going to drive. You need to have soft boots, soft shoes. Check your time. Read your Bible at least 1 minute or 2 minutes before you go to work.
Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in his shadow of the Almighty. I'll say to the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Surely He will save you from the fowler's snare and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge.
Yeah, you need to pray. Pick up your Bible. Get your keys and your phone. Check your laptop again if you're doing business or anything else. Before you go to work, close your door and get lost. And also tell others. Tell others that you are leaving. Beautiful home. But of course, I'm not a landlord. I'm renting. One day, I'll build my own. Check if you have your license with you.
Bluetooth mode connected.
Get ready. At least play one gospel song as you are leaving. It's good for your day.
Wakachema baba mandisire akavunza pita unondira ere Yesu munoziva zvese Agumine vaviri pane achanditengesa Kezanaitoka Musaremu chindiparidza. The night in the garden, Peter took to me. Jesus put it back, proving he's God. Before Abraham, Jesus said I am. For these taking stones, one a stone God who created all of you the same. He is coming back soon. Can we stop sinning? Terai amane shamari, terai Jesu ni amari, chikumbiro siana inemari, mavenayo amuzo parari. He's right here, taking my fears, taking my gears, having my gears. Achauya one white horse, munondo wake opira moto. Achauya when rose, asiso wake opira moto.
Sharira. Ningo shimanya apa usuda ukanzurwa. Because ninge trip yakanaka. Saka ufana kuita quick. Sekuru avakarovera. Hey, I'm sorry. He hit his head on the car. But anyway, hello. I'm sorry. Sir, I did not know. I only saw this video and then I realized, oh, this man hit his head. All right. Hello. Already got another one.
I have 200 change.
200. I don't have change yet. Change. All right, thank you so much. Call your friends.
Ramdaran.
Professor.
Madi baba.
Chikurira.
Kunza kuna mari mwita se.
Wakatsvaga.
Kunza kuna shunu baba.
Ya, manje torarama nei manje.
Handizivi kuti tozvivaka sei. Muri ipapo?
Ndiri ku-Edge Mid.
Ngekupiko?
Side kwangu.
Uko kutaunika kunorira kako?
Kwakanyarara nhasi.
Apo weekend baba?
Apa weekend.
Hatiwini.
Mapurisa asi kunetsa here side ikoko.
Murodi? Noti asi.
All right. But apa airport I'm sure nhasi pane pachitopisa.
Pakaipa. Pa-airport pakaipa. Ndoda kutakura panapa ndokupondera bheki.
All right, iribo. Shoferi nobva rakata zvaro. The guy is gone. Lay in your seat at the back and relax. Watch some videos if you can.
I see a lot of people are calling me Prophet Brown. So we are all seeing now the results of March and March. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. Marching is not a problem, but the way you handle a situation becomes a problem. Taking matters into your own hand.
I declined this one.
Kune vanhu vane makore vasina kumbodzokera kumusha but pavakatodzokera apa izvozvi apo vanhu vakutofara kutoti mwana wedu adzoka vari kutotenda but vasingatarisisa idhi revamwe vakakuwadzwa nevamwe vakaurawa nevakarasikirwa nezvinhu zvavo but ivo vari kutofara kuti mwana wedu akadzoka ndo chinhu chekutanga. It's a big advantage.
Mweya waunofema uyu wakatakura ndini ndopinda mudumbu rako baba ndikakwinyama chisa kuita zvekutamba rini baba neza signature mhepo nefema mhepo inepisa ukati asima iwe unofane pfari munhu wautaura naye unoyana umira zvakanaka ina handiitire dzungu reseroro pamusoro pangu inini hapana munhu mazvinzwa hapana munhu.
Sure, can I have 100 unleaded?
Topping up, huh? It's time. It's time that the car takes some money back.
Thank you.
Get lost.
I
had to blur people's faces.
How's your day going? Why is that? Oh.
Some people tell us all their problems.
I think the side is a bit far.
Yeah, it is.
But I like it.
Plus, you don't get public transport here in case you want to use public transport.
There's no my city bus this side.
My city? I know Golden Arrows only.
Now, there will be a truck that will be overtaking me, and I overtook it, and then it also overtook me. That truck was driving reckless. That truck right there. You see. It was driving so fast. We even have to talk about it with my client. And I was trying to overtake this truck because it had sand. It was blowing some sand towards my windshield and some small stones. So I wanted to overtake the truck. But it was speeding, eh? There is the truck. Look. Yeah, this truck, I'm telling you. I don't know where this driver was rushing to. Look how he's switching lanes. Look. Yeah. That's me, Hoodstock. Beautiful place. People get robbed on that bridge there. If you're not careful, There are some homeless people who stay on that corner there. It's a beautiful place, but it's a place of gangsters. This is where all the big gangsters stay. They don't stay in those flats. They come here close to town in Woodstock where they do their business. To Maitland, and then Maitland to Century City, and from Century City to that side. So picking up a family from Salt River to Canal Walk. How's it? Sharp, sharp. All right, cheers, thank you. Hi. How is your day going?
It's okay. How's your day going?
Not bad.
Yeah.
That's still Century City. It's a beautiful place. There's Table Mountain right there.
Going through my tape.
That is Lion's Head right there.
Like there was nothing,
Somewhere,
there's
yeah.
nothing happening there, obviously. It was supposed to just small talk, about the child. So he checked this, she likes this now, things like that.
The lady here was talking about what had happened with whatever that had happened. But yeah, I had to talk over it so you would not hear what she was saying. So this is a day into a life of an Uber driver. Now I'm hungry, I have to go find food. This guy was looking straight into my camera. Anyway, that's some nice food. This food was nice though. Come join me. It was very nice. The chicken was big, tasty, spicy. Oh, I was hungry. If you were there, we would have enjoyed. But unfortunately, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Mashofe vanogara netutauro so now ndaguta andetotsvaga mvura yekunwa. Gara nematoothpick mumota please. So now munoshandisa macoin notenga mvura yekunwa kana kushandisa mari yakabatana yaya motsvaga change kuitira kuti kana makastoma akuda change munge muine change because otherwise unoretwa bad kana ukashaya change. Yeah, so you just have to buy with coins and look for change, or maybe get that 100 rand or 200 rand and go look for change. Buy some water and get yourself hydrated. That is important, guys. Everybody should drink water. Every driver should drink water. This bottle of water is not enough for a driver. You need about 1 liter or 1.5 or 2 liters a day to drink. It's just that they did not have 2 liters or 1.5 or 1 liters. They only had these ones. So yeah, for now, let's take this one. 500 mils, gone. And that's normal. An Uber driver must drink so much water. Water is good for your kidneys because every day you are pressing your kidneys against the seat and you need to make sure they are functioning properly so that you won't have constipation. You also won't have kidney stones. So stay hydrated, brothers. And this was another one I drank, and this is now the second one. So now keep these bottles. Drivers, only drivers, real drivers know why you keep bottles in your car. Then later you're going to throw away. All right? Leave a comment in the comment section. What is the purpose of these two? I'll keep them. I'm not going to throw them away. They are going to be used in the future.
The music. We got still got Craig here.
I look like a Mukuru guy with an orange shirt and a Mukuru card. Anyway, I'm advertising Mukuru there.
And thank you for each prayer request. As I'm seeing it, I may not get through the. You know what?
Mukuru can tap and go.
I'm also keeping it in.
So I had picked up some Zimbabwean guys here, and I took them to Delft. They wanted again the Mukuru office. But unfortunately it was closed, so they had to go to an agent. So this place here is kind of like a dangerous place. You don't want to be picking up people there in those kind of places. The danger is that you fight with the taxi owners, you fight with scholars, police, and everybody in there. So I wouldn't recommend people to go to these places. Only that I go to these places when I'm with Zimbabweans who are my home people. So yeah, but you don't have to trust even Zimbabweans. They are doing the most also. So yeah, stay safe out there. Stay safe as you are driving in these areas. You can have a flat tire there and get stuck. So you need to have a spare wheel. So yeah. So for those of you who know that Delft Circle in Hindu Road, close to Delft Mall, this was it. This place here. You know, do research in demand. So here we are now in Fuleni. We're now in Fuleni. I don't advise people to drive in these places here. The first place was Delft. We could not find the guy, so we had to drive to Fuleni. That's where we found the guy. We were actually looking for a Mukuru office. Zimbabweans. I think it's an orange crash. Nzvimbo dzane miti dzakaoma idzodzo idzo munhu anenge atozijaya. Zviviri zvimwe zvikutika. Ndawana munhu akagwa chaiwo kuti kana uchiri muSouth Africa pakadzingwa vanhu uri gandaka. Rodhiserva kuvigwa kuHeroes. But also vanhu havasoziva kuti kune titori safe kune dzimwe nzvimbo zvokuti hatina kana problem. Unoona tichongofungidzira kuti the whole South Africa ndozvazvinoitika. Kuti vanhu kana vachitarisa chinhu chiri negative vanongoti the whole country. Vangofanira kuti Zimbabwe vana vachiti Zimbabwe inotambura vari but ukazosvika kuZimbabwe nedzimwe nzvimbo ndopaunonyatsooti ezvo vanhu vacho vanonzi vanotambura zvavari kutoita zvemusoro ya. Unoziva kuti vanhu vekuZimbabwe vari richer than vanhu vekuSouth Africa. Because vanhu vemuSouth Africa mota zhinji even makombi waya ndezvikwereti. Hamuna munhu zvaunoziva Zimba mafoni everything. But kuZimbabwe chinhu chinenge chiri fully paid. Hakuna sechikwereti munhu atatotatenga mota yake ka atobhadhara yes. But vanhu vari kuZimbabwe ndandova respect yangu pamari. Vanhu vari kuZimbabwe vane mari. Wakanzwa vanhu vachitaura ndomboona hangu zvimavhidhiyo zvevanhu vari kuvaka dzimba dzavo kuZimbabwe vachitaura material yavatenga nei unonyatsoona kuti ndopaunonyatsoona kuti handina mari ende unofila discouraged kuvaka. Because mari dzavanonga vachitaura dziri mari zvino. Saka ndichazodii venika mari kadini. Munhu anoverengera mari yematerial isvika kuma 20 something thousand US. Asati atanga kuvaka, asati atanga kudii. Iwo una 1000 US. Dzimba svino
ndianza kuona different kuti
ndondedza kutoti aiwa ndimuri kujoza mutopedza nguva sati uye koko mari rikei kuno
sekuri wandiwanhu wakira waita yes anhu ndinye goti usina munhu zera rako so wakasiya ka iwe uchiya kuno kwacho atopane rimwe lepa unodzoka hamuchatolinga
munhu atapinda wako rake kuzimbabwe anotori nemari kudarika munhu ari kuno
toita ngeta rasika wa mucharova kumberi.
So yeah, now so I guess this is the end of my day. How much have I done today? Today I have done 691 rands. So I started at around 10, somewhere around 11 a.m. Now it's about almost 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So I'm heading home now. I'm done for the day. I don't like working at night. That's not my thing. People are getting robbed out there, so it's not safe. But for those of you who are working at night, be safe out there. So yeah, I've made 691 rands and I put already fuel 200 rands. So the money I'm taking home is 491. So yeah, it's not bad. The time I started and the time I'm finishing, it's not bad to take 491 home, right? But yo, I'm exhausted. But also on this money I bought food. So my food was about 50 rand. So I think I'm taking home 430. Yeah, or 440. That's what I'm taking home. But again, the thing is, tomorrow, if I have to work, I have to put again another 100 rand to work again tomorrow. So the money that I'm making here actually is 300 rands. That's the money that I'm going to put in my bank account. That's the money I'm going to put away. So yeah, Uber drivers aren't really making money out there. Many people think that Uber drivers are making a lot of money, but they are not. The expenses are way too much. Sometimes when it's quiet, you get to watch a lot of videos and finish your data, and then you buy data. Maybe after 2 days you buy data, after 2 days you buy data. Yeah, that's about it. So ladies and gentlemen, a day with an Uber driver, Zimbabwean. Thank you so much. It's a goodbye for now. Peter Mutarani signing out. Yeah, so now that I'm done working, I'm going to get something to eat. And as a man, you don't go home empty-handed. When you're coming from work, you have to go with a small thing. Bring your family, anything small. Don't go home empty-handed. So yeah, let's go see what we're going to buy. Anything small, yeah? These are dried mangoes. I would like to try these things, but I'm not sure how they taste. Peaches. Dried peaches. Let's see what we have here. Dried fruits. What are these? Buy 2 for 149. What is this? Mixed. Buy 2 for 149. Okay, I think I'll buy 2 for 149. Yeah. So these are dried fruits. We're going to try them at home. I've never tried this. A friend of mine recommended that I should try them. So yeah, we're going to try them. Like I said, a man will always have to take something home. After work, take something home. Even my child is used to that now. Whenever I get home, my child wants to know, what did I bring? Even my wife is looking at my arms, like looking at my hands, like, what am I holding? If I'm not holding anything, it's like I'll disappoint them. Yeah, they have to know that daddy is home. Goodbye, people.